All right, good morning, everybody. It is November 25th, so here's TWOU. We almost missed this trade, but it looks like it might be giving us a second chance to get in short here. 32.83 to 32.40, so we're about 40 cents roughly. Pull up my calculator. 0.4 and about 50 shares is what we're looking at buying. So come over here, 50, enter, and sell. All right, great. So now we're in TWOU, and for a short trade here, we'll see how it goes. If this does come up here and break the top, then we're gonna speed bump this thing. Right now, we're trading it on the on twofold: the basic strategy, day trading strategy, and a modified play for TWO. So both have triggered this trade, and we'll see how it goes. All right, so we might be getting stopped out of this trade. We'll see. I'm tempted to move my stop way up here, but then it doesn't work out mathematically at the end of the year if I'm taking losses like that. So I don't want to be losing 1.5 to win 1, you know? So if it was really close or there's some more reason behind, making me want to do that, then I would do it. But right now there's no reason, so I'm going to leave my stop right here. When we get stopped out, we get stopped out. I will speed bump it depending on how much it breaks through. So it's breaking out pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and buy. So we'll speed bump that. Now let's mark up a speed bump. Good thing is you can see here 2025. So that was my loss. So I'm able to, so far I've been able to, or close to 2025. Yeah, about 2025. I was able to manage the position size so that I can manage the risk. All right, so while we're waiting for TWOU to give us a speed bump and recovery, I'm gonna run over a nug real quick. Almost hit that target, so close. How much time I got left on this candle? 39 seconds. If I move my stop up to break even here, then there's a good chance of retracement to getting stopped out. So I'm going to just leave it here for now, and yeah, hopefully we'll be in our target here real soon. Okay, so we're almost to the target on this one. We're going to bounce over to TWOU right now. So there we go. So TWOU has moved up nicely. Where's my stop? I don't have a stop in right now. Man, I keep on doing that. I don't know what's wrong with me lately. All right, so we're long. So we're spread is. So we're going to go ahead and put our stop in right here. So, and that's it. If we get stopped out, we got stopped out, but we recovered some of our loss. And the goal of a speed bump is just to recover some of the loss, not necessarily all of the loss. So we're going to put that in, and then we'll trail that up. And then let's go back to Nug. It's about to hit the target. So come on, Nug, get in there. Let's go ahead and put the prices on this chart so that I can take a picture of it afterwards. Put it in the log. All right, there we go. So now we got our stop at our target, so we got a full trade out of it. And then we're going to give this thing a chance to run. And when it gets to this next level, I'll move my stop again. Because if it breaks out of here, new high of day, chances are it's going to hit this next level. So I'll just wait until it gets there, and then I'll move my stop. Or it'll come all the way back down, and it'll just get stopped out right here on a solid trade. So TWOU, I kind of want to stay here and wait and see if this gets stopped out. But TWOU is looking pretty good too. It's pulling back a little bit. We got a minute and a half left. If we can survive a minute and a half on both of these candles right now on TWOU and NUG, there's a good chance we'll get more money out of these trades. So yeah, it's looking good. But there's also a good chance of rejection right here because it is high of day at 57. So we're at 55 on the ask right now. So we're coming in rejection zone. And we got a minute left in this candle. All right, we're getting through there. Right at that level. Right at the rejection level. Come on, let's go. Push up through. Get to like right here. Oh, don't do it. Don't get rejected a high day. Come on. So part of me wants to move my stop up. Just in case this gets rejected. I'll wait. I'll just wait. Because, this is pretty nice. What's on my mind right now is I can, get out for $33. I took a, right now I'm looking at a $10 loss over here. So I have a nice $20 day. I get to bubble in another thing on the scaling ladder if I jump out of NUG right now. So that's kind of what's driving my thoughts right there. We might be getting stopped out of TWOU right here. Okay, so new candle's opening and Nug's pulling back a little bit. TWOU, new candle just open. We'll see if it boosts. All right, nice. Let's go. Boost, boost, boost. There we go. Keep on going. So now we can cut this loss way down. I'm going to move this stop up some more. Oh, no, because of the spread. All right, there we go. So as this moves up, I'm going to move up 4. So nice. So we had that loss and we cut it way down to $6 right now. So pretty sweet. $8. By the time it stops me out, I'll probably be like $10. So one thing I could do is I could just trail these green candles if I wanted and be a little more patient, but I'm not going to do that. Sometimes I do that. It works out pretty good usually. Because a lot of times when there's retracement, the retracement doesn't cross the bottom of the green candle. But with TWOU lately, it's been a little bit choppy and it gets a bit gappy. So I don't want to mess around with that today. All right, Nug's turning around, starting to push higher. I'm waiting for this. I think we're going to get stopped out here. Looks like we got some resistance in this zone. Because this is all about bonus money. It's not about home run. It's about base hits and getting some bonus money on it. So our goal was $20. We're making 40 right now. So that pays for a loser if we have one coming up in the next couple of days or next week. Almost. All right, there we go. So we're out with 34 because that dropped fast. What did we get out at? Let's go look at the monitor tab real quick. Nug, we ended up out at 62.54. Let's put, I'll mark it on the chart real quick just so I can have that. 62.54. Man, we got out way down here. All right. All right. Well, good thing I moved my my stop. So that's where we got out on that one. So all good. It's a winning trade, right? I shouldn't complain. Winning trade. And we're about to recover all of our losses here on TWOU. So that's a nice looking candle boosting up there. And we're going to move our stop up to just below the bid. We got about a 4-cent spread right now. So I'm going to keep trailing this up. This is awesome. We might recover most of this trade to be a really small loser. All right, so we're 25 cents away from recovering a full recovery on this. This is a big candle. We got 45 seconds left. I'm surprised it's still running like this. Is awesome. Running straight to the high of day. So, all right. So now we're recovered fully. So one more move of my stop, and then I'm just gonna give this stock or this. All right, never mind. We're out. I was gonna say I'll give it some room to breathe. All right. So we'll take a $1.75 loss on that because we do have the spread in there to account for. So yeah, awesome. So $1.75 loss on TWOU because of the speed bump. And then Nug, we were able to make 34.37. I have 2 other tickers that are not even anywhere in the ballpark of setting up today, it looks like, or 3 other ones. They're nowhere near it. And the futures market had a nice win this morning. I'll post a futures trade up there too. Haven't been able to get too many of my futures trades recorded and up on YouTube. Actually, I've taken 3 futures trades in the last week and a half. I've been so busy. But, you know, the good thing is they've all been winners, and today was a nice winner as well. So I will definitely be putting that up there a little bit later, probably today or tomorrow. I'm behind on my videos. That's why you're seeing them, or you saw them coming out like, why is, you know, this is from last week. So got a lot of stuff happening, so I'm a little behind. All right, so getting ready to jump in here to QCOM as this is about to switch in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. I want to see it switch, and all right, we're in. All right, cool. So now we're going to go to market up. This is a modified play on the day trading strategy. QCOM is. All right, so because we're really close to risk down here, I'm going to go ahead and add to my position. I feel like this is moving on its way up. So we're going to go ahead and buy another 22 shares. And I'm going to put my stop in just below my other stop. All right, there we go. So now we've added to our position. And once we get back to break even area, I'll be looking to take off that. I'm going to mark up my new average, 145. All right, so here we are. So we're going to move our stops up to break even. Plus a couple spread. All right, so 27 is where the spread is right now. So I could just bounce out here, break even. But I'd like to give it a little opportunity to go somewhere. All right, so now I can get my one stop in there. 30, so there we go. All right, cool. So now I got my stops in above where I bought the ticker at. So we're in the green right now, and we'll see if we can get this to go up a little bit more. If I can get $7 or $8 out of it, it'd be great, because then I'll be able to move up on another rung on my scaling ladder. Spread is 5 cents right now. Come on, boost QCOM, you can do it. What is the market's doing? Okay, it looks like the S&P 500 is boosting, the Nasdaq's boosting right now. So hopefully this will boost with it. Rally into the close. Okay, we got out with half our position, and we might be getting out with the other half right now. So trail this up. I'm just going to keep trailing it. It's either going to run or it's not. These are 5-minute candles. We got a minute and a half left for this candle to close. So we're at 36 now. I'm going to move it to 35. Okay, so now we're out with the rest of it. So $2.64 is what we'll make on that trade. So we'll take this and we'll move it to 18. I'll just call it round down to 18. So we're $2 short of being able to turn this into a green bar. Oh, that's too bad. I was hoping to be able to make this a green bar, but all good. $2 short of it. That should be able to pick that up maybe on Friday and then some. So really hope that we can fill these all in on Friday. It would be great. If you're not sure what this is, in one of my earlier videos, I talk about scaling ladders, but also over 2020daytrader.com, where all my trading classes are for free. In my risk management section, you can learn all about why I use scaling ladders and how I do it and how I manage risk and everything. You can learn everything about my system. And then if it's right for you, if you want to do it, then you can purchase the algorithm and trade it. But you can learn everything that I do for my trading, risk management, all that stuff over there for free in the futures market, swing trading, and day trading at 2020daytrader.com. So yeah, there it goes. It's moving up a little bit now. Oh, could have got those extra few dollars I needed, and then I would have got greedy and it would have sell off. So all right, so that's going to do it on the day. So today it looks like our total is going to be $35. So pretty sweet. Again, growing the small account. So we had our TWOU. So we took this this first trade down here. It was a short based on a modified play. Didn't work out. We speed bumped it, came up and got out of our speed bump. But we didn't get out at a full, like I could have stayed all the way here, but we got out. I forgot, I don't know where we got out. I should have marked this. Somewhere. Hold on one second. Let me see if I can pull this up. Equities. No. Up here. No. Price access. It's been a long time since I clicked the show trade. Yeah, show trade. I don't see the little trade indicator on here. So I don't know why it's not showing it to me. Looking at my other monitor, maybe it'd be over there. Let's see here. Just want to be accurate with the, okay, so I don't know, it's not there. So anyway, so I got out for somewhere in here, recovering most of the loss. So we ended up with a $1.75 loss on it, but we speed bumped it, so we recovered almost all of it. It was pretty awesome. Actually, I think it was in the green, but with the spread, I ended up taking a $1.75 loss on it. So, and then we had QCOM, which you see right there. Look, it's selling off. Good thing I didn't get too greedy on that one. And then the other ticker that we traded was NUG. So here we go. So we had to switch to the long side. This is part of the normal day trading strategy, and had a nice winner on it. So it was pretty sweet there. So My other true trades, though, they were, so TWOU was not part of the day trading strategy, and QCOM is not part of my day trading strategy. It's a modified strategy using the algorithm, but it's not the strategy I teach over at 2020daytrader.com. This NUG today is that strategy, right? We had our switch, we got permission, entry. The algorithm gives me my entry, gives me my target if I'm right, gives me my stop if I'm wrong. We hit that, got out of the trade, and then you see what happens. So that's why I try not to overstay my welcome. We actually got a little more out of the trade. We got out here 62.54, a little bonus money. So pretty sweet. Got $34 on that trade, so that was awesome. So anyway, so that's how we are closing the day. Have a happy Thanksgiving, everybody. We'll see you on Friday. And yeah, lots to be thankful for, right? We're all still alive. You're listening to this, so you're still alive. So definitely a lot to be thankful for. And I'm sure you have a lot more than that to be thankful for as well. So have a great Thanksgiving. Enjoy the day, and we'll see you on Friday.